If you think that you can't make cool 2D bouncy old school frame by frame hand draw animation in Blender, then you're obviously wrong. Because you can. And you should. It's good for your brain, it's good for your body. It's like painting with Bob Ross. It makes you calm and easy. Okay, here is how I do it. I wanted to make an animation of a small robot jumping out of a pipe, bouncing from the ground and jumping again into some kind of sinkhole. First of all, I needed some kind of a background, at least a sketch of a background. There you go. Then I've drawn some lines resembling a path of my jumping robot. Then I made a quick forward run and animated a dot, jumping around, to establish the timing and spacing of the animation. Then I made a rough sketch of a robot animation by making couple of forward runs, starting with his body, head, limbs, and so on and so on. When I decided I'm ready with the rough sketch, I made a couple of similar forward runs, adding colors and cleaning up the shapes. Finally, to give the robot some more dimension, I painted some shadows and some highlights and finally some cast shadow on the ground. And that's pretty much it. The robot jumps out of the pipe, bounces once and disappears in the sinkhole just as I planned, and I have finally regained my inner balance. Life is beautiful, my friends.